Good morning, children. Today you are going to learn the new chapter, multiplication. So before you learned addition and subtraction, and it would have been easy for you. Now we are going to learn multiplication. You would have learned in class 2 multiplication, but it would have been very basic and it would have been easier. But now we are going into the higher level, so you have to give more concentration this multiplication. And the next chapter will be division. So multiplication, division, that is the thing you are learning, the important thing in class 3. Okay, so it is very important, so practice it now itself, but the next day it will be very difficult for you if you are not practicing now. Okay, so let's go into the chapter. So for multiplication, you have to learn all the multiplication tables. So I also will teach you some easy tricks. So that video also I will send you, so you can see and learn it. Those who are not able to memorize, all will not have the memorizing capacity, only some will have, so they will be able to memorize, but some they may memorize and they will forget soon. So for them I will teach you some tricks, so you can memorize or you can remember the tables using those tricks. Okay, so now let's go to the lesson. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here just I have drawn this one balls inside the boxes. Okay, so here there are 5 boxes. In the 5 boxes, in each box there are 3 balls. So you have to count the total number of boxes, total number of balls. So to count the total number of balls, what you will do, here there are 3. This is 3, 3, 3, 3. So you will plus 3 5 times. You will plus 3 5 times. Then you will write it now. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, and you will say there are 15 balls. Okay, so this is we are adding, but we can do very easy way, in a shortcut way, and very quickly we can find. For that we need the multiplication. So how we can do? So here there are how many boxes? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 boxes, and in each box how many balls are there? 3 balls. So there are 5 boxes, and in each box there are 3 balls. So this 2 number you multiply now. 5 3s are 15. So there are 15 balls. So it takes long time to add, but to multiply it won't take much time. Okay, it will be very quicker. Okay, so this is the way we do the multiplication. Instead of adding the same number again and again, it takes long time. So for that, in a short form we do it. That way the multiplication is formed. So in other way we can say multiplication is the repeated addition. So when you add the number again and again, that is called addition, multiplication. So multiplication is the repeated addition. So when you add the number again and again, that is called the multiplication. Okay, so multiplication and repeated addition, you must remember. The one number again you are adding. Okay, so the number when you add here again and again, that becomes multiplication. So this number you have to add 5 times. So 5 into 3. So 3 is added 5 times. So it is 5 into 3, 15 balls. Okay, so this you can write 5 into 3, otherwise 5 times 3. 5 times 3. Otherwise in repeated addition you can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, suppose if there is another number, let me give now 7 into 6. So this one you can write 7 times 6. 7 times 6. Otherwise 6 is added 7 times. In addition you can write like this way. Okay, 7 times 6, otherwise 6 plus 6 plus 6, 7 times you are adding it. Okay, so this is the way you can write. This is asked in recap exercise how to do, so you remember how to do. Okay, now let me explain how to do in number line. So the multiplication, how we can do in number line. Okay, this one how we can do means, this number when it is given in addition, how we will write in multiplication. So this number is 9. So that in the first dash you write the number, and it is how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. So you will write here 5. Again the number is 7. So in the first dash 7. So in the second dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 7, so 7 into 8. This is the way the addition you can write in multiplication. So now we will go for the number line. Okay, now 4 into 3 we are going to mark it in the number line. So this one, how we can write? 4 into 3. 4 3s are, that means 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Okay, so now we will draw the number line first. You have to use the scale, don't draw with the hands. So use the scale and draw the line, and each centimeter you can mark in centimeter. Okay, don't mark it, one is here, another one is here, another one is close by, another one is far. This way you cannot do. So the interval must be equal. Okay, so you use the in the scale. Okay, now you see the scale. Now here in 0 if you keep a dot, first one, if you are marking first one, again in 1 you mark next one, again in 2, again 3. That way you mark, so the interval will be equal. Okay, but here I cannot use the small scale, so I am taking my own. Okay, so sometime it will be little far or close by, so don't see it, you do by yourself. Okay, so I am starting first. You have to start with 0. Okay, always start with 0. First you mark the numbers. Don't mark only 10 numbers. When you see the multiplication table, it goes longer. No, 4 3s are 12. So you need at least 12 numbers. Okay, so according to that you must arrange the numbers. So more than 12 we have to arrange. So now I am arranging 1 2. So like this I am arranging the number. In this end and this end there must be an arrow mark. Okay, so between I have arranged the numbers, 20 numbers I have arranged. So now 4 times 3. So 4 times you have to jump 3 3. Okay, so from 0 you will start. So this is 3. So first you make one jump from 0 to 3. 1 2 3. So one jump I have made. So this is 3 ones are 3. Now again next third number you jump. 1 2 3. So the next third number is 6. So from here the second jump will be 2 6. So this is 2. So 2 times we have to jump 4 times. Okay, so 2 times I have jumped. Again now the third time, 1 2 3. So the third jump is on 9. So this is 3 times. Now again fourth time, 1 2 3. So fourth time is 12. So we jump here to 12. This is 4 times. Okay, so 4 times we have jumped 3 3. So we have reached the number 12. We have reached the number 12. So the answer is 12. Okay, so down you have to take and write the answer. 4 3s are 12. This is the way you have to do. Okay, now to find the missing product. Okay, so here to find how to do, this is 7. So this is 7 table. So just for you can look at the 7 table. For your convenient I am writing here 7 table in a short form. Short form I have written 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. That way short form I have written. Now 7 dash 28. How many 7s are 28? So you see where 28 is coming. 28 is coming here. So that is how many times? 4 times. So the answer is here 4. Okay, now next one, dash into 5 30. So here 5 is there, this is missing. So now you write the 5 table. Okay, in these two number, which number is there, that table you write it in the corner. Then from there you find where this number is coming. After equal sign this number is there now. So that number where it is there, then you can find what will come here in the dash. So I am writing here 5 table in the short form. Okay, in short form I have written 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, like that. Only up to 9 enough. 10 and all no need, up to 9 enough. Now 5 table. Now 30, you have to look for 30. 30 is here. 30 is here. So 30 is how many times? 6 times. So in this missing place 6 will come. So this is the way how to do to find the missing product, missing factor. Okay, now let's learn multiply. Already you learned last year multiplying by single digit. So I will give you the quick way to remember how to do. So I will go fast, then I will teach you clearly afterwards when the exercise comes. This is for recap exercise. I am going quick. I am going in a fast way. Okay, so this you have to multiply by 6. So let's write the 6 table in the corner. Why I am asking you to write in the corner means so that you won't make mistake. Because when you say again and again, you may forget. First, if you write it in a corner once enough, then you can do without for another thing. You don't need to count the table again. Okay, so 6. So I am writing 6 table in the corner in a short form. Okay, I have written the 6 table here up to 9 enough. So now let's start multiplying. 54 multiply by 6. Okay, so you give little gap and write so that you won't make mistake when you arrange the digits. So now 4 and 6 you have to multiply. 4 6 are 4 6 are 4 is here, 4 6 are 24. So 24 is a double digit number, but you can write in ones place. This is ones place, only one digit you can write. So that is the right side number. So that 4 only you will write. This left side number you cannot write here. Okay, so this left side number you have to carry to the next digit. So in the tens place you will carry this 2, you will carry here and you keep it here. Okay, now we have finished multiplying ones digit. Now we will multiply the tens digit. In tens place here 5 is there. So this 5 and 6 you will multiply. 5 6 are 5 is here, 5 6 are how many? 30. So we have got 30. With 30 that carry what you have carried here, that you have to add. So 30 plus 2, 32. So 32, only one digit you can write here, isn't it? I told you before. But we don't have the next place, the hundreds place, we don't have any number to multiply. Okay, so you don't need to carry this 3 there since there is no number. So you can write this one as it is. In tens place you will write this 2, and in hundreds place there is no number, so you will write it here. So 54 into 6, it is 324. So this is the way how to multiply and write. Okay, in recap exercise there are many sums are there. So in Saturday and Sunday 2 days you can do this sum and you can finish it. Okay, thank you.